Hi guys, welcome to Mala's Verse. Welcome if you're new here, welcome if you have been here before. Thank you so much for joining me in today's reading. And today's reading is going to be for the zodiac sign of Taurus. Taurus, we are going to look into what's clearing up for you, what energy is clearing up for you. So before we get into the reading, Taurus, take a few deep breaths and breathe out through your mouth. I'm going to ring the singing bowl. All right, Taurus. So, what we have here for you as the energy that's clearing up for you is the Ten of Cups. And the bottom deck energy is Four of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups, which tells me that, yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how to phrase the message here for you. Taurus with Four of Cups, I do perceive that there were, this does seem like home life associated or how you personally experience life. And with Four of Cups here, I do perceive that you've had relationships that were not emotionally fulfilling, and this is not just something that was a passing phase. This was something that was prominent in your life, and so you indulged yourself in multiple things to not look at the chaos that's been going on behind you or the main reason why things are not working out. And somehow with this multitasking with the Ace of Cups here, you did find some peace, some clarity, and also a new beginning, a new blessing here. But as soon as this new blessing did enter your life, we have the moon card right after that, which tells me that this blessing itself must have made you, focus a lot on where were you on in your comfort zone and not accessing your deeper emotions, where you were connecting with people maybe only superficially and not at a level that was deeper, and this was triggering your fears. Whatever this new blessing was, this very well could be a new relationship, in terms of romance, friendship, or just connecting with new people in your workplace, at your workplace, or in your career rather. Yet, you might have found that there were some dissimilarities, or there were some gaps rather, which you wanted to fulfill or fill in rather. By fulfill, I'm receiving that maybe there were some demands, or there were just compatibility issues that you thought you could fulfill in some way, shape, or form, and this triggered your fears or your emotions, and you recognize how you were in your comfort zone, because we do have Nine of Cups after this. And not just your comfort zone, but you also recognize what is truly fulfilling for you emotionally. And with the Ten of Cups being your main message here as to what's clearing up for you, Taurus, this tells me that specifically around family and around home, or how you feel fulfilled in your emotions, complete in your emotions. The Ten of Cups energy is full of emotional joy, emotional stability, having someone take care of you, or having the knowing that you can take care of yourself no matter what life throws at you, because emotionally you are fulfilled, you feel abundant. So the Ten of Cups being the message here, what's clearing up for you is that stability, which you will no longer be. And I feel like you've definitely been working on this for a really long time. You might have looked for stability emotionally in other people, but now, for I mean, in a significant way, in a profound manner, this change is coming through, this clarity is coming through for you, and the stability is coming through for you within yourself. For some of you, I do feel like the stability coming in your home life or in your familial connections within the family. There's better communication happening. There's no tit for tat, or arguments for happening for the sake of arguments, but more stable communication happening. It's not so that one person wants to prove themselves right. That energy or that dynamic is shifting a bit. Maybe it's the efforts that you have taken, and so even if it doesn't happen on at the end of another person or the other person involved, you will have emotional stability. And your current energy is the Devil and Ace of Pentacles. So before the devil card is all about our shadow aspects, and especially what are we bound by, what are we attached to. And before the devil, we had the Five of Pentacles and Star. So I do perceive, your healing journey has led you to this place where your abandonment issues must have been triggered, or you recognize where these abandonment issues were keeping you stuck with the devil card here. And with the Ace of Pentacles, you've made a promise to yourself. That's the current energy. That's the current energy that I'm perceiving for you, Taurus, when you have made this promise to yourself. You've given your word to yourself, to your spirit team, to your higher self, that you will take care of this wound and you will not let it leak out in other or in your forthcoming connections, communications, relationships, what have you. Everything that is in connection to somebody else, that is in connection to another person, and even yourself, you will not wallow in self pity, because you are diligently working on releasing this abandonment issue, or wherever you felt like there was no security in terms of expressing yourself emotionally. You worked through that big wound in a tremendous way. I mean, I'm not even able to find the right word. Essentially, you dedicated a lot of time to healing this, and even now you've promised yourself to keep on going on that journey. It may look like, not even look like, I do perceive that the journey must have been tough. So you do know that it's not going to be an easy one, but you do know that it's going to create the world that you want to live in for yourself. It's going to create the life that you want to live in for yourself. And so that's the energy that's clearing up for you with the 10 of cups here. For some of you, this wound must have come through arguments that must have happened within your family as well, where you felt like you did not have the freedom to express yourself emotionally, because everyone else was so consumed by their own emotions. They did not know how to regulate themselves emotionally, so you had to take a step back and succumb to the pressure of the circumstances and not express yourself. And so all of this stuff must have come up in the recent years as a wound that must have been triggered, especially with the Ace of Cups here, because we have the Moon card right after the Ace of Cups. So something new triggered this in you. This very well could be you following your heart's desire, and with the Moon card you realize that, is this desire even mine, or am I trying to fulfill someone else's dream? So yeah, Taurus, essentially there's a lot of an abundance of emotional fulfillment coming for you, especially within yourself. I do feel like your divine masculine is not going to operate from a distorted or a fearful divine masculine, rather from that proper divine masculine energy, and care for that divine feminine within you. So wonderful energies, Taurus. I hope that this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you again so much for joining, and I hope to see you in future readings. Bye bye.